So we're talking about the piriformis muscle today, and those external hip rotators. Ideally you want to be using a tennis ball or a hockey ball, but I like to use one of these which is slightly bigger, and it's also easier for me to demonstrate with as well, which you can see a little bit more clearer. Right, so you're going to take your ball, place it on the floor, you're going to sit on top of it, and then with the leg that you're going to be treating, you're going to take it over to the other side. You place your arms behind you, so you're nice and stable, and then all you're going to do from there is literally roll over the muscle. Working all the way around it. So this will hit the piriformis, as well as some of the other external hip rotators.